This is the Renew by US Mattress Restored Plush. We gave this mattress a comfort scale rating of a 5 out of 10, which means that it's right in the sweet spot of firm and soft. Our scale goes from 1 being the most firm to 10 being the softest. So if you're looking for a Goldilocks level, right in the center feel, this is gonna be an outstanding way to go. Let's get into some of the things that make this line unique and special. First of all, as the name indicates, this is a brand that we developed in-house. It is the first brand that we've actually developed in-house with our name on it. And the reason that it carries such weight for us and we're so proud of it is because we have feedback from hundreds of thousands of customers just like you. And they all express kind of the same things that they're looking for, or many of them. And so we took all that feedback and we compiled it and we analyzed it. And we found a mattress line, or we developed a mattress line that checks all the boxes to help you get cool, comfortable sleep. Let's get into the actual specifications here. Starting with the top, we have a cool to the touch, cool temp fabric. This fabric works so well that even wearing thick clothing like jeans, you can feel it cooling you down when you lay on the surface. And this is important because many studies have shown that when you sleep a little cooler at the beginning especially, it makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. So if you tend to sleep warm, or whether you just like that kind of cool pillow feeling when you flip your pillow at night, you're gonna love that feature. In addition to that, the fabric is very thin, and we designed it that way on purpose because when you have a very thick quilt, sometimes, especially over time, the comfort padding layers can start to feel kind of inconsistent because the quilt starts to break down and contours to your unique shape, which is completely normal. It's like a pair of shoes contouring to the arc of your foot. But when you have a smooth top quilt design, there's less of a dramatic impact there, and it creates a very consistent comfort, especially over time. And it allows the comfort padding layers to do a fantastic job of contouring to your body the way that we wanted it to. So let's get into some of those comfort layers right now. First, on the top, we have a 1-inch layer of Pillow Renew foam. This is a high-grade polyurethane foam that is right on the surface. It's designed to give you that kind of initial body cradling feel and kind of contour to your lower back and give you the pressure relief in your hips and your shoulders area. It's high-grade polyurethane that is made to give you the performance that you're looking for. Next, we have a layer of Cool Renew gel memory foam, and this is a 2-inch full layer. Cool Renew gel memory foam works with the cover to help you sleep cooler. It also contains gel mixed with premium memory foam. The main advantages of mixing the gel with the memory foam are that you get outstanding pressure relief. And it definitely shows on this mattress. When you lay on it and you feel it, it feels incredibly comfortable, almost weightless in terms of how you're laying on the mattress. And the less pressure you have, the less you're going to toss and turn, generally speaking. So memory foam, outstanding job there. The next thing that it does is when you mix gel with memory foam, it creates a very, very solid, substantial overall feel, which most people, myself included, equate that to a luxurious comfort. And this mattress absolutely has a very dense, high quality feel to it, which feels like a mattress that is hundreds of dollars more, $600–700 more than what we're charging for this one. So the value is outstanding. Lastly, memory foam does a great job of reducing motion transfer. So if you're asleep on one side of the mattress, movement takes place on the other side, you're gonna feel less of that movement and you're gonna be able to sleep undisturbed. Next, we have a layer of medium Renew foam, which again, high-grade polyurethane foam, kind of meant to act as a buffer layer between the memory foam and the next key layer, which is the Cool Gel Renew foam. Again, same concept as the memory foam, only this time polyurethane blended with gel. Again, premium feel, outstanding pressure relief, fantastic longevity. The back support system in this mattress is a 1000 dynamic response coil system. And this is an individually wrapped system, which means each coil contours independently to your unique shape. Unlike a tied system, which can create a rigid feel, this is a very contouring and comfortable and gentle, but solid level of support. It's great at reducing motion transfer because those coils aren't connected to their neighbors through steel helicals that can transfer energy. And one of the best parts, it is adjustable base friendly. So if you are in the market to upgrade your mattress to a sleep system, you can do so with confidence, knowing that this mattress is specifically engineered for that purpose. Last thing to talk about on comfort is the Right Start Edge. This is the full foam encased edge support that allows you to use the entire sleep surface and not worry about inconsistent comfort when you get to the sides, or that you're gonna feel like you're gonna roll off, which is a problem that happens with mattresses that have a cheap edge support. This also has another benefit, which means that if you share a queen size, you don't have to worry about feeling that inconsistent comfort on the edge when you're falling asleep, and you and your partner naturally drifting towards the center during the night, which can create an irregular V shape in the mattress, inconsistent comfort, etc. You don't have to worry about that. You can sleep edge to edge, both of you being very comfortable. Last thing to talk about has nothing to do with comfort, but the stylish handles on the side make moving the mattress very easy. So whether you're moving to a new location, moving it to a new bedroom, or just simply rotating it, which I recommend you do about once every 3 months or so for the first year, you're gonna be able to do so easily and comfortably. Overall, in my opinion, I'm incredibly proud of this product. We worked hard, it has incredible value, and the performance is outstanding. If you like something that is kind of the middle of the road in comfort, this is a fantastic choice.
We hope you found this video helpful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-455-1052. Or you can leave us a message on this video, we'd love to hear from you. Or if you'd like, during normal business hours, you can speak with a member of our chat team.